Let's see how wide this screen is from here to 9 inches. Nice. Nice, I got a 9-inch screen. Hey everybody. I'm in my favorite grocery store. I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but it is my go-to for these RX bars because they always have them on sale. Price tag in the way. They always have them on sale. This morning I was working on removing a trim board and rotted trim board. Draw a straight line, cut the straight line with said oscillator tool, also known as the vibrating tool. Does wonders. I didn't finish showing the final product, so I'm so sorry that I'm not gonna be able to show you that. But anyway, let's grab my bar and get out of here. So good. Simple ingredients. I'm looking for these, some of my favorite things ever. Coconut water, the coffee. Let's see. Got my DeWalt 25-inch, measuring at about an inch. Let's see how far it'll stretch out going straight up in the air. I bet people are wondering, what is this guy doing? How much is that? Oh, it fell. Let's try it again. How far does it stretch out before it ends? Let's drink some coffee. Coffee time. All right, I got 2 quotes that I need to turn in that I went and did yesterday. I need to go ahead and get them turned in. And I have another quote that I went out at this house last week to go look at, and I need to get it written up too. Gosh, and I'm so sleepy. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That's why the coffee. All right, got all my quote sheets. Let's see. This one. 1, 2, 3. All right. I got this new keychain tape measure. I thought I'd at least try it. Neato. Got some Home Depot returns. All right, looking for my next house that I'm going to stop at. 7313, 7309. All right, here we are. Pulling in now. Squirrel. Coco. Come on. Come on. Really quick, I want to show you something that I'm doing right here. This isn't good. Watch. See how it's recessed? That's not good. I'm gonna show you a little trick to fix that using one of these and a drywall screw. This drywall screw is, I believe, 1.5 inches. Is it 1.5 inches? I'm gonna measure it real quick. 2 inches. It's 2 inches. So I'm gonna take my electrical cap and I'm gonna stick it in the end. I'm gonna drill it through. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and peel this back out of the way. Right. Nice. just want to say while I'm up here, I'm installing this light fixture and I'm pretty high up in the air. I'm on a ceiling. Look, watch. I mean, it's, I don't know if you could tell exactly how high, but you know, it's well over 8 feet. Anyway, yesterday I was here on top of an 8-foot ladder and I could barely reach it. And when you're really high up, barely reaching electrical wires and all that, it's really difficult. And then you get this thing screwed on and you got these little things. See this little ball? The light is bad, I know. But this little thing right here, when you're climbing up really, really high and you got this thing to screw on, your hands are gonna get all sweaty and stuff. And it's really difficult to screw on here. I got it now because I had to go get a bigger ladder. Just wanted to vent, that's it.